As of December 8th, 2025, Tesla vehicles seamlessly integrate with Google Maps. This video demonstrates how to send locations from Google Maps on your phone directly to your Tesla's navigation system and how to run the Google Maps app directly on your Tesla's screen. This allows you to leverage Google Maps data with Tesla's EV-specific routing. The share-to-car function allows you to send locations from Google Maps on your smartphone directly to your Tesla's navigation system. This creates a seamless connection between your phone's mapping app and your vehicle's built-in navigation. Before using Share-to-Car, make sure your Tesla app is updated to version 4.5 or later on your smartphone. You'll also need your phone paired with your Tesla through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to enable communication between the devices. To use Share-to-Car, first open Google Maps on your phone and select the destination. Tap the Share button within the app. From the sharing options that appear, choose Tesla to send the location directly to your vehicle. Once shared, the location will automatically appear in your Tesla's navigation system. This integration combines Google Maps' comprehensive data with Tesla's specialized features for electric vehicle routing, including optimal charging stops. Open Google Maps on your smartphone and find the destination you want to send to your Tesla. Find the destination you want to navigate to. Tap on the destination to select it, then tap the Share button. Scroll through the apps and select Tesla. Your Tesla's navigation system will automatically load the destination. It's that simple. To enable Google Maps on your Tesla screen, start by navigating to the Settings menu. From Settings, select the Apps option to access the application menu. In the Apps menu, locate the Google Maps application. Enable the Google Maps app and grant any necessary permissions for access. You may need to log in with your Google account to sync your preferences. Once enabled and logged in, you can use Google Maps directly on your Tesla screen, just like on your phone or tablet. Google Maps provides extensive points of interest data and public transit options, making it ideal for discovering destinations and planning routes with multiple transportation modes. Meanwhile, Tesla navigation excels in electric vehicle-specific features like supercharger routing, optimizing for battery range, and charging stops along your journey. Using them together allows for hybrid navigation. For example, use Google Maps for initial planning and destination selection, then switch to Tesla navigation for execution with optimized EV routing. This integration gives you the best of both worlds, combining comprehensive mapping data with specialized electric vehicle guidance for a seamless driving experience. If you're experiencing issues with Google Maps integration, first ensure your Tesla software is up to date. Tesla regularly releases updates that improve app compatibility and fix bugs. Next, check your phone's Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connection. Your phone must be paired with the Tesla via Bluetooth for sharing to work or connected via Wi-Fi for direct app integration. Verify that Google Maps has the necessary permissions on your phone, such as location access and Bluetooth sharing. In your Tesla, ensure the app is enabled in the app settings. If problems persist, try restarting your Tesla's infotainment system by holding the power button on the steering wheel. If that doesn't help, contact Tesla support for further assistance. Looking ahead, the integration between Google Maps and Tesla is set to deepen significantly. As Tesla continues to expand its Android-compatible ecosystem, we can expect API collaborations that enable automatic route syncing without manual sharing steps. AI and voice integration will play a key role, allowing voice-triggered location sharing through commands like navigate to this Google Maps location. This builds on Tesla's existing voice features and Google's AI capabilities. As electric vehicles become more prevalent, reaching an estimated 50% of global car sales by 2030, app integrations like Google Maps with Tesla will become industry standard. This trend is driven by consumer demand for seamless connectivity. The market for EV app integrations is growing rapidly, with global revenue projected to reach $2.5 billion by 2027. Tesla is expected to maintain a leading position with approximately 40% market share in this emerging sector. While challenges like regulatory hurdles around data sharing may arise, Tesla's iterative updates suggest these will be addressed. The future promises a more integrated driving experience where navigation seamlessly combines the best of both worlds.